What's going on, guys? Skatefly up here, and today we're back with another video. Finally, I'm making another video for you guys, and it's basically like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I think. Yeah, it's exactly 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It is very sunny outside, very sunny, and I have my skateboard. Show you guys. I have my baker board right here, and there's something else I want to show you guys. Remember how my recent video that I made, I showed you guys my fidget spinner, and it was really cool? Well, now I customized it. Now it's like red and yellow. Really cool. And a really cool thing about it also is this. See, it's a nickel, and it spins really good. So, yep, that's my new fidget spinner. And I accidentally got paint on my hands yesterday. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I got paint on my hands. And I tried getting it off so hard, but I'm just gonna have to wait for it to just come off after washing my hands so many times. It's gonna obviously come off. But yeah, I got my skateboard, and we're gonna have some fun skating. Skating is really fun for me to do, and also you to watch. So that's why I'm gonna be filming myself skateboarding today. Yep, pretty neat. Since it's already been 2 minutes into the video, I gotta think of what to do. Cause I gotta figure out where to put my camera so you guys can see. So I think I figured out where. Alright, guys, put my camera down where you can see me. I'm gonna go get my skateboard. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I got my skateboard. I don't really got that much room, so I'm gonna like back up a little bit. Alright. Remember, I don't have a filmer, so you're gonna have to, I'm gonna try my best in order for you guys to see what I'm doing. But I hope you enjoy me skateboarding, because I will enjoy making this video for you guys to watch. So let's get to it. I am going to move a little bit closer though. Alright, I just got a message because I'm using my phone. Oh, that's not them, never mind. Alright, I'm trying to make it so you guys can see. I just messed up the kickflip. Did it. Kickflip. Now I'm gonna try heel flip. Dang it, I'm doing bad. That counts. Hope you saw that. I don't know if you did or not, but I did it. Pop shoved it. That was insanely bad. Really, all these tricks that I'm doing, I can only do while I'm rolling, but I really can't roll that much because I don't have a filmer. But still gonna try my hardest. That was insanely sketchy. Try that again. Dang it, why am I not landing it? I can't even do a pop server right now. This is a bad video. been better if I had a filmer, so. Oh my God, I can't do it right here. I'm done. Come on, I gotta land it. It's taking out so much time to do like hop shoving. There we go. Did it. It's only been 5 minutes. Alright, well, I'm gonna try doing a, it's called varial kickflip without rolling. It's actually way harder without rolling for me. Oh my God. It's gonna take 5 years. Sorry guys, I don't have a filmer. Only I landed it already. I'm okay. I'm done. I can't do it. Alright, well sadly, I didn't land too many tricks. I did a varial, I didn't do a varial. I did a kickflip, a heel flip, and a pop shove it. But that's basically about all I did. But don't worry, this vlog is still going to continue. It's only been 7 minutes. I did a little bit of skateboarding. It wasn't that good. Usually I skate for like 30 minutes, but I can't because I don't even have that much storage on my phone. So I got a bad shinner trying to do a varial kickflip, but it's okay. If those that don't skate, and yeah, a shinner means you get hit in the shin with your skateboard. I'm going in the shade right now. All right, I'm in the shade. Finally, by my mouse. I did a little skateboarding. Showed you guys my new fidget spinner. Or it's not new, but I customized it. Spins really good. Sorry I didn't land too much, but now I'm going inside my house, get some water, because I'm already sweating. It's like 90 degrees outside. Oh my gosh, I need a popsicle. Well, I'm gonna do my password real fast. Alright guys, I'm inside my house right now. I'm about to go get some water. Here's Cookie. She's relaxing right now. She's here. Just laying down. I hope you guys enjoyed me skateboarding. It was fun. Now I'm gonna get some water. And now I'll end the video. There. Always gotta get some ice. Ice. That's loud. Got my cup. I always like four ice cubes. I think that was 4. I don't know. I don't care. I'll just put this piece in there. But yeah. Alright guys, I got me some water. Ice water. Oh my gosh. Dripping sweat everywhere. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below. Have a good day, and hope you enjoyed, because I enjoy making videos for you guys. Sorry for not uploading too much, but yeah. Please subscribe. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. and I'll do some more exciting stuff like I did today. Either way, I'm still going to do some more exciting stuff. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to start daily vlogs, or not daily vlogs, but, you know, daily uploading now because it's the summer. As you can see, if you can see it, it's so bright outside and so hot. It's like 90 or 80 something degrees. I don't know, but it's really hot. So I'm going to start doing daily uploads, daily videos. So subscribe for more if you're new, and goodbye.